Today we'll be talking about general physical examination, and you have to follow a particular sequence, and this sequence can be your own tailor-made. It not necessarily has to be followed, but what I usually prefer is that when we enter the patient's examination chamber, or you walk in, the patient walks in, you have a general observation of your patient from head to toe, a general scan, and you note for things like if patient is having any IV cannula or a feeding tube or Foley's catheter. That may be the case in patient is on the bed or in hospitalized. Uh, you start your examination from examination of their hands and arms. Then you record your vital signs, pulse, blood pressure, temperature, respiratory is noted. Look at the face would give you the idea of a particular facial type. Uh, then you start your examination by examination of the head, eyes, ears, nose, and throat. We call it heat. You ask the patient to open mouth and then notice the oral hygiene, gums, tongue, and oropharynx. Then you move on to the neck where you examine for the thyroid, for the neck veins, and for the lymph nodes. In the axilla, you again palpate for the lymph nodes, and then moving down in the groin area, you palpate for the femoral pulses as well as for the uh, inguinal lymph nodes, and finally you move on to the shin and ankle and feet, looking for edema and any feet abnormalities or any joint problem. So this is the sequence we usually follow, and now we'll demonstrate in a video format that how this examination is conducted. So let's begin with the examination, general physical examination of a patient. The first thing you have to do is that you must wash your hands or use sanitizer so that you are not contaminating or you are not transferring infection. A general head to toe look is the first thing, and then you.
वालेकुम
क्या हाल है?
ठीक ठाक है
ठीक हो? नाम क्या आपका?
अब्दुल रहमान
अच्छा, कहाँ से आए हो?
नवाब शबाब
चलो, ठीक हो आज?
हाँ जी सर
चलो, हम थोड़ा सा आपका मुआयना करेंगे ताकि पता चल सके कि कुछ खराबी तो नहीं है, और इस दौरान कोशिश करेंगे कि आपको तकलीफ कोई ना हो। अगर कोई दर्द हो किसी जगह पे तो उस वक्त ही मुझे बता देना, ठीक है? Of the hands, looking for pallor on the palmar surface of the hands. Uh, then you notice any muscle wasting. You note the shape and size of the hands. You also note look for the clubbing or chylonychia in the nails. Then you look for the muscle wasting or any notice for any tremors. दर्द तो नहीं कहीं?
नहीं सर
ठीक। हाथ अपने मुंह खोल लो, उंगलियां पूरी, दूसरे हाथ की भी बिल्कुल ऐसे। Usually you start with the examination of the pulse. And for examination of the pulse, the arms has to be pronated and slightly flexed at the elbow, and you using your three fingers, you palpate for the radial pulse and notice the rate and rhythm and as well as volume of the pulse. You report it. Notice your patient's respiratory rate. This is recording the vital signs. For recording of the blood pressure, the arm should be exposed. Don't apply the sphygmomanometer cuff over a covered arm or over the shirt. It has to be properly placed above the cubital fossa, positioning the tubing outside or toward the lateral side. First, you record the blood pressure, systolic blood pressure by palpatory method. Your sphygmomanometer should be at the level of the heart if you are using a mercury apparatus, but for the sphygmomanometer, this arynoid type or digital type, you may not need to keep it at the heart level. Carefully locate the brachial pulse and then confirm your finding. by using the stethoscope or by auscultatory methods.
ठीक.
Then you place the thermometer either into the axilla or maybe into the under the tongue in the mouth. So it's better to place it in the axilla
अपनी
or
बगल में
armpit.
लगाना. यहाँ. बस आराम से. ठीक. ठीक. ये बात.
Meanwhile, you start examining your patient's face, asking him to look down and
नीचे अपने
looking
पैरों
the
की तरफ
sclera
देखिए.
for jaundice, asking to look up and just
ठीक है. ऊपर देखिए.
the at the lower lid the conjunctiva for pallor, examine the nails. This is what we call
नाक
as
तो बंद
heat
नहीं.
or
सांस लो.
this head, eyes, ears, nose, and throat examination.
ठीक.
Using the touch and tongue depressor, you examine the oral cavity, look for the hygiene, teeth, tongue,
आप
pharynx, and the tonsils. Ask your patient to sit up for the examination of the neck and the. Meanwhile, don't forget to take out the thermometer which you placed for recording the temperature.
सामने देखो बिल्कुल. इसको जरा सा खोल लो. बिल्कुल सामने देखिए आप. जैसे कोई चीज खाते हैं, निगलते हैं, थूक अंदर निकालो. यस. शाबाश. फिर दोबारा. ठीक है.
The thyroid is always examined
कमर में
standing
press करना
behind
है.
your patient and then placing your hand in front of the neck just below the larynx, and you ask your patient to take
आप
say
थूक नहीं
swallow so that the it moves it.
दोबारा
Start
देखो.
palpating the lymph
शाबाश.
nodes from the submental to the submandibular to the preauricular, postauricular, and then to the anterior cervical group along the sternomastherenterior border, then going on to supraclavicular group, then moving, asking to say shrug the shoulder and
कंधे
then
को ऊपर पकड़ो जरा.
palpating for the
हाँ, ऐसे.
supraclavicular lymph nodes.
ठीक. लेट जाओ. दोबारा इस तरह.
In the next thing you
थोड़ा सा
notice
ऊपर
is
देखो.
the neck veins and looking for the pulsations and notice the jugular venous pulse and jugular venous pressure.
ठीक.
So there are three things we examine in the neck: the thyroid, the lymph nodes, and the pulsations of the venous as well as of the arterial
थोड़ा सा
pulsations.
आपकी बगल का हमने मुआयना करना है. इसको ऊपर कर लो.
This is
बस
how
ठीक.
you palpate for the axillary lymph nodes, both first the medial group, then the lateral group. Now this is the palpating the medial group of the lymph nodes, axillary.
गीला छोड़ दो.
Move on to the groin and palpate both
थोड़ा
for
हम यहाँ
the
पे आपकी
femoral
भी
pulse
देखेंगे.
as well as the lymph
ये
nodes
निकलनी.
along the inguinal ligament in the horizontal fashion and along the femoral veins in the vertical fashion. There are two groups.
ठीक. इसको जरा ऊपर कर लो थोड़ा सा.
Palpating for the
ठीक है.
popliteal pulse as well as the popliteal lymph nodes. Now this is how you examine for the edema by pressing over the bony part of the shin or the lower this tibia, pressing it. This is how you palpate for the dorsalis posterior tibial pulse, and this is palpating for the dorsalis pedis pulse. Also look for the
ठीक.
shape of the foot and any abnormal
बैठिए.
say deformities in the
मेरी
foot,
तरफ कर.
and never forget that some patient may have edema only in the their when they're lying down in the sacral part, so looking for the sacral edema.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका। आप कपड़े पहन लें दोबारा।
ओके